To be continued. This was the problem. It actually burned up, just like the guy in the other video said. I changed the relay, switched this one with this one. It didn't start. I went and found this one, which is this, to be stuck in there and burn up. I replaced it. I always keep 20 amp fuses. 20 amp fuses for this truck. What a godsend. And just listen to it purr. She's running. She's running. Just as cool together, 174,000 miles. Thank God for YouTube, and thank God for small parts. Dealership won't give me this time.